Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship that's pushing boundaries once again. With new features, stunning design changes, and upgraded performance, is this the ultimate smartphone of 2024? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the refined design. Apple has slimmed down the bezels even further, giving the 16 Pro Max a near edge-to-edge display. The titanium frame returns, offering that premium feel while being surprisingly lightweight. And let's not forget the gorgeous new colors Apple introduced this year. On the front, we have a stunning 6.9-inch Promotion XDR display. The refresh rate remains at a buttery smooth 120 Hz, but this year, Apple has bumped the brightness to 2500 nits peak. Whether you're outdoors in bright sunlight or watching HDR content, everything looks crisp and vibrant. Apple has also made significant upgrades to the camera system. We've got a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a brand new 12MP telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. That's a big leap in zoom capabilities, giving you incredible flexibility for capturing distant subjects without sacrificing quality. The computational photography features have been enhanced too. The photonic engine now processes images with even more detail, especially in low light. Night mode is faster and more effective than ever. And for videographers, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports 8K video recording with Dolby Vision, making it a powerhouse for content creators. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, which delivers incredible performance with even better efficiency. Multitasking, gaming, or heavy apps, it handles everything with ease. Plus, with the 5G modem improvements, you'll get faster and more reliable connections. Battery life is where the iPhone 16 Pro Max truly shines this year. Apple has managed to squeeze in a larger battery, giving us up to 30 hours of video playback. With USB-C charging, you can also get up to 50% charge in just 25 minutes using a 30W charger. Of course, the iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, which brings new features like interactive widgets, dynamic island upgrades, and enhanced privacy settings. And don't forget, this year, Apple's expanding satellite communication capabilities, adding emergency SOS in even more countries. Face ID is faster and more reliable than ever, even working at more extreme angles, which is a nice quality of life improvement. And yes, USB-C is here, finally bringing Apple in line with other devices, which should make life easier if you're juggling multiple gadgets. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's most powerful, feature-packed phone to date. With its stunning display, improved camera system, blazing fast performance, and impressive battery life, it's hard to find a weak spot. It's an expensive upgrade, no doubt, but for power users and Apple enthusiasts, it just might be worth every penny. What do you think? Is the iPhone 16 Pro Max your next phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.